little. Supercharged. Subaru dump truck. K to the kitty, y'all. We hit 5,000 YouTube subscribers. This is a passion project, a hobby for me. This is not my job. A channel that started to give back to a community that helped so much. Personally, YouTube has helped me in almost every aspect of my life. This is just a tiny thank you to all the people who have subscribed, who have liked, who've commented, and supported this channel and its efforts. Thank you so much. Today we have something extremely special for you. Extremely imported. Extremely JDM. Here in America, we're driving a 1991 Subaru Sambar K-Truck. Absolutely one of the most fun vehicles to drive on the road I've literally ever had. Now my 1988 Saab was very cool, don't get me wrong. The rally car was really, really fun. 5-speed Saab 900 turbo. But this thing is on a whole other level. It's a whole other beast. I'm very used. I didn't think I was going to be able to get used to driving with my left hand with a traditional H pattern, meaning it's the same setup H pattern as we would drive, standard United States pattern for the H. You're just sitting over here. So first is top left. Well, I have extra low, which is first top left, but that has a little like wall. And I mean, this thing is just, it's super impressive. I've went over it. I've been over the car a decent amount. I still haven't gotten it up in the air yet. That's to come. But everything else I've done, I took the plate off the back, checked the motor, checked all the vacuum hoses, probably went over all that. But I mean, the way this thing drives is absolutely freaking hysterical. You can see here, speedo doesn't need to work. The funny thing is it's clocking the mileage. Or it was. That part of it's working, which was strange. But yeah, whatever. So we've just got this. It's in kilometers anyway. And so it wouldn't make a hoot of a difference. So I was gonna make little stickers on here, but I'd rather have this. I'm gonna have a tack. The fun has just begun. We're looking all over the internet for parts that we can get readily available from here or Japan to make this supercharged Subaru dump absolutely amazing. Of course, we have some fun modifications in line, as well as the difference between the supercharged parts and the naturally aspirated parts. The STI has welcomed its much older cousin here. We're currently still in shakedown mode and in parts finding mode. So once we get that all sorted out, we'll explain everything that goes on in that process too. So see you very soon. Thanks again, everyone. Bye-bye.